Our journey begins in the potato fields. But not just any potato will do for McDonald's. They're super picky about their spuds. McDonald's mainly uses russet Burbank potatoes. These oblong-shaped potatoes are perfect for those long, iconic fries we all know and love. But here's a fun fact. Depending on the season and location, they might mix in other varieties like Shepherdie or Caribou Russet to keep the quality consistent year-round. Farmers grow these potatoes in various regions, but a big chunk comes from states like Idaho, Washington, and Maine. These areas have the ideal soil and climate to grow potatoes that meet McDonald's strict standards. The combination of rich, volcanic soil, warm days, and cool nights in these regions helps produce potatoes with the perfect balance of starch and sugar. Once the potatoes are harvested, they go through a rigorous inspection process. Workers check for any green potatoes, which can taste bitter, or those with too many blemishes. Now that we've got our perfect potatoes, it's time to get them squeaky clean. The potatoes take a trip through huge washing machines that scrub away dirt and debris. These machines use a combination of water jets and rotating brushes to ensure every nook and cranny of the potato is cleaned. This thorough washing ensures hygiene and removes any residual soil that could affect the taste or texture of the final product. Once they're clean, giant machines peel the potatoes using steam and pressure. This method is super efficient and helps reduce waste. The potatoes are subjected to bursts of steam that loosen the skin, and then the pressure difference causes the skin to separate from the potato flesh. But don't worry, the peels don't go to waste. They're often used for animal feed or compost. In fact, McDonald's has been working on initiatives to reduce food waste, and finding uses for potato peels is just one part of that effort. Some factories even use the peels to create biogas, turning what would be waste into energy. Here comes the exciting part, turning whole potatoes into those perfect fry shapes we all know and love. The peeled potatoes are shot through water guns at incredibly high speeds. We're talking about 60 to 70 miles per hour. They fly through a grid of sharp blades that slice them into the classic fry shape. It happens so fast you'd miss it if you blinked. This high-speed water knife system isn't just for show, it serves several important purposes. First, the water helps lubricate the cutting process, allowing for cleaner cuts and reducing damage to the potato cells. This helps maintain the integrity of the fry, contributing to that perfect texture we all love. Second, the speed and precision of this method ensure uniformity in the fry's size and shape. But why does the shape matter so much? Well, the long, rectangular shape of McDonald's fries isn't just about looks. This shape maximizes the surface area that gets crispy during frying while maintaining a soft, fluffy interior. At this point, our potatoes are starting to look like fries. But we're not done yet. Not even close. Potatoes naturally contain sugar, and too much sugar can make fries brown too quickly when they're fried, leaving them looking burnt even when they're not fully cooked. To solve this, the cut potatoes go through a process called blanching. They're bathed in hot water for a bit, which removes excess sugar and helps prevent our fries from browning too fast later on. During blanching, the cut potatoes are immersed in hot water for a precise amount of time. This process does more than just remove sugar. It also deactivates enzymes that could cause the potatoes to discolor. Plus, it helps to remove some of the surface starch, which contributes to that crispy exterior we all love. The temperature and duration of the blanching process are carefully controlled. Too short, and the excess sugars won't be removed properly. Too long, and the fries could become mushy. It's all about finding that perfect balance to set the stage for the perfect fry. But the benefits of blanching don't stop there. This process also helps to standardize the moisture content of the potatoes. McDonald's ensures that all their fries start with a similar moisture level, which is important for consistency. After their hot bath, our fry-shaped potatoes need to dry off. They go through giant dryers that remove all that excess moisture. As we all know, water and hot oil don't mix well. These aren't your average hair dryers, though. The industrial dryers used in this process use carefully controlled heat and airflow to remove surface moisture without cooking the potatoes. Once they're nice and dry, it's time for their first fry. Yep, you heard that right, first fry. McDonald's fries actually get fried twice. The fries are partially cooked in vegetable oil for about 50 seconds. This first fry is super important. It cooks the inside of the fry and creates that fluffy interior we all love. But what does this first fry do? Well, this par frying, that's chef speak for partial frying, does a few important things. First, it starts the cooking process, gelatinizing the starches in the potato. This is what gives the fry its soft, fluffy interior. Second, it forms a thin outer layer that will eventually become our crispy exterior. And lastly, it removes even more moisture from the potato. The oil used in this stage is a blend specially formulated for McDonald's. It's designed to withstand high temperatures without breaking down. But wait, aren't the fries we get at McDonald's fully cooked? Hold on, we're not done yet. Right after their first fry, when they're still piping hot, the fries go to the flash freezer. The partially cooked fries are quickly frozen at super low temperatures, as low as -39 degrees Celsius, -38 degrees Fahrenheit. This rapid freezing helps lock in that perfect texture and flavor. But why freeze them at all? Wouldn't it be easier to just finish cooking them and ship them out? Well, there are a few good reasons for this chilly interlude. First, flash freezing helps prevent the formation of large ice crystals in the potato cells. Large ice crystals can rupture cell walls, leading to a mushy texture when the fries are finally cooked. Second, freezing allows McDonald's to ship these par-cooked fries all over the world without them spoiling. This is a big part of how McDonald's maintains consistency across its global operations. And third, the freezing process actually contributes to that crispy exterior we all love. When the fries are finally cooked at the restaurant, the rapid thawing and cooking creates a contrast between the already cooked interior and the outer layer, resulting in that perfect, crispy, fluffy combination. This flash freezing is why McDonald's fries can be shipped all over the world and still taste the same whether you're in New York, Tokyo, or London. The frozen fries are packaged in those big boxes you might have seen being delivered to McDonald's restaurants. Each box is carefully labeled with all the important info: what's inside, when it was made, and where it needs to go. These aren't just any old cardboard boxes, though. They're specially designed to keep the fries at the perfect temperature during shipping and storage. The packaging process is fully automated to ensure efficiency and minimize handling. Machines weigh out precise amounts of fries and pack them into the boxes, which are then sealed and labeled. This automation helps maintain consistency and hygiene standards. These boxes are then loaded onto refrigerated trucks to keep them nice and frosty during their journey. All right, we've made it to the McDonald's restaurant. This is where the magic finally happens. When an order comes in, a worker grabs a portion of frozen fries and drops them into the fryer. This is that second fry we mentioned earlier. But it's not just any old fryer. McDonald's uses special fryers designed specifically for their fries. The fries are cooked in vegetable oil for about 3 minutes at 168 degrees Celsius. That's 335 degrees Fahrenheit. This second fry is what gives McDonald's fries that iconic golden color and crispy exterior. The high temperature causes the water in the fries to rapidly evaporate, creating that crispy shell, while the interior stays soft and fluffy thanks to the par frying process. As soon as the fries come out of the fryer, they're given a generous sprinkle of salt, a special blend that McDonald's uses to give their fries that classic taste we all know and love. The salt is applied while the fries are still hot so it sticks better. Then, the fries are scooped into those familiar red boxes and they're ready to be served.